Hello, here is the video description. Title: Presentation of Wax Sheet Engraving, Creative Techniques and Tricks. In the video, I show in detail how to engrave a sheet of wax and then transfer the pattern to paper using a special technique. During the video, I explain the process step by step, including the tools used and the technical details. At the beginning of the video, I present the wax sheet, which I attached to an MDF sheet with self-adhesive double-sided glue. I fixed this construction to a rotary table with a hot glue gun so that I could work stable and safe. After that, I will introduce the tool used, which is a linoleum cutter, and explain in detail how to use it to engrave the wax sheet. After showing the steps for engraving the wax sheet, I will move on to the printing process. I will show you how to paint the engraved wax sheet with printing ink using a roller. I will then explain in detail how to transfer the design to paper using the painted wax sheet and show the special effect print that can be achieved using this technique. In the video, I explain the engraving and printing steps in detail, as well as tricks and techniques to help viewers complete these processes with ease. With the help of precise engraving and printing techniques, viewers can get involved in their own creative projects. My inspiration for the process shown in the video is the creative and unique way to engrave and print wax sheets. With the help of the video, I provide ideas and inspiration to the viewers to use this technique in a creative and unique way in their own creations. Finally, I summarize the engraving and printing steps shown in the video and present the end result that viewers can easily achieve in their own creations. Overall, the video provides an inspiring and educational guide to engraving and printing wax sheets, as well as ideas for creative processes. Through precise engraving and printing techniques, the creative process becomes an exciting and creative experience for viewers.